Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Theek again. I hope you're ready for a new week with some new word work sounds. This week we're going to be working on the oo sound. And there are 4 ways that we're going to talk about this week, but there are more ways that you can make that sound. O-O, like in boot, says ooh. EW, like in ch-oo, chew. UE, like in blue. And OU, like in soup. So, like I said, there's other ways, but these are the ways we're going to be focusing on this week. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go through and blend these words. And even though you're at home, I want you to blend these words out loud. It will help you, I promise. So this word, let's all say it together. What sound does this card say? This card? This card. What word is it? Great. So if you went ooh, clue, you're getting the hang of that sound. Way to go. Okay, so let's sound these out. Ooh, new. Now you're going to do it on your own. I'm not going to say it right away. Go ahead. Ooh, noon. Ooh, stew. Ooh, stool. Ooh, two. Ooh, true. Ooh, grew. Oop, group. Ooh, brew. Ooh, broom. Ooh, glue. Ooh, flew. Oop, soup. Ooth, tooth. Ooh, screw. Ooh, igloo. Ooh, through. Shampoo. Great. I really hope you were saying those out loud. Give yourself a pat on the back, and I want you to, what sound are we working on right now? Ooh, excellent. So this, we're going to blend the first word, and the second one, we're going to figure it out because it adds on another syllable. So let's go ahead and blend this one. Ooh, clue. So in this one, the first syllable is what? The second syllable is what? So the whole word is clueless. Excellent. Let's blend this. Roost. So now we have this syllable, which is what? And then what it adds on ER. So what does ER say? Excellent. Rooster. Let's blend this. Few. So now that we have the first syllable, what's the second syllable? Ist. What's the whole word? Fewest. Let's blend. Scoot. So here we have scoot in the first syllable. What is the second syllable? What's the whole word? Scooter. Excellent. Let's blend this one. Chew. So I have chew here, and then there's a suffix added on. What's the suffix? Okay, so what's the word? Chewing. Excellent. Let's go ahead and blend this one. Youth. So now I have youth here, and I have a suffix. What's the word? If you said youthful, excellent. Now I want you to just try to blend these words. What word? Jewel, excellent. On this one, blend the first syllable and then the second syllable. What word is it? Tuesday. Let's blend this. What word is this? Root. What word is this? Spoonful. What word is this? Balloon. This one's a hard one. Let's see if we can blend it all together. Ready? T-oo-k-an. Toucan. Excellent. I want you to go ahead and try to figure out where you're going to split the syllable and figure out the first syllable and then the second syllable. So I'm going to give you a second. Do the first one. The word is raccoon. What word? Newsroom. Excellent. Blueberry. Excellent. What word? Overdue. Fantastic. Noodle. You're a rock star. Let's do this last one. Dewdrop. Excellent. So now I want you to read this sentence actually out loud or in your head, whichever one you want. And now let's read it as a group. Lou won't eat stew every night. Now, can you read it with the most fluency you can out loud? Go ahead. So fluent. Amazing. Read this in your head or out loud since you're alone. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's read it as a group. A few days ago, Sue fixed her boot with glue. Now read it with all your fluency right now. Excellent work. I'm very proud of you. Tomorrow, you are going to do a sort with it, and then on Wednesday, you're going to do a word hunt with the oo sound. Keep it up. Miss you very much.